You could finish your first book in weeks instead of months without sacrificing quality, using just 2 free tools. Today, I'll show you how to pair ChatGPT's creativity with NotebookLM for research and organization, so you can turn an idea into a finished manuscript faster than ever. Writing a book often feels overwhelming. Scattered notes, too many ideas, and not enough time. But with these 2 tools working together, you can streamline your research, organize chapters, and keep your writing flowing from start to finish. Start by opening ChatGPT. Click the plus button and choose Deep Research. Then paste this prompt. Adjust it as needed. Answer the questions ChatGPT may ask to clarify the task. In my case, I want it to focus on English market, analyze nonfiction only to publish my book. It usually takes 10 to 15 minutes for ChatGPT to complete the research, so I'll continue when it's done. And here it is. You now have a list of trending and in-demand parenting book topics, their subtopics, and the target audience's pain points. Each of these subtopics represents a high interest area for today's parents. You also have all sources listed, so you can see where the information comes from. Now, let's give it another task. Don't forget to use the Deep Research feature again. Paste the following prompt to analyze the current parenting book market on Amazon and identify profitable, underserved topics. I've included both prompts in the video description below. Okay, ChatGPT first asked me to clarify a few things. I want to analyze both types of books, only on Amazon.com, and only those released in the past year. Here's the report. A list of recent books across different subtopics, complete with bestseller ranks, ratings, and common title keywords you can use when positioning your book. There's also a list of all sources used. What's missing? Suggested book titles for each subtopic. So let's ask for that. Now we get a detailed list with the target audience, a potential book title, and the gap it fills. ChatGPT even offers to rank these ideas by profit potential, using keyword volume, competition, and category size. Sounds good. Let's try it. Looks great. Still, before publishing, you should validate these ideas with tools like Publisher Rocket, KD Spy, or BookBeam. Links are in the video description. I'll cover that in another video, so make sure to subscribe. Now, back to NotebookLM, my central hub for book research, where I can upload PDFs, videos, audio files, or my own notes to summarize and find key points based only on my own resources. This helps keep the risk of AI hallucination low. Check the link in the description for my full NotebookLM tutorial. I have already created a project on parenting and added a few YouTube videos and online resources to make it more interesting. Let's add the first report ChatGPT made. And ask it to generate a mind map from these resources. You can click on each topic to see the subtopics. I'll pick single parenting and then how to support children emotionally. NotebookLM shows me a detailed analysis. Now, let's ask for a book outline for this topic. And here it is, a very comprehensive outline. I'll save it in my notes to keep for later. Now let's copy this outline and return to our ChatGPT project. I'll paste it here to see what it suggests. And it gives additional ideas to improve the book outline. Moreover, ChatGPT offers to map my current outline to Amazon category keywords. I'll say OK. And now I also have a list of suggested keywords and categories. Of course, you should use your critical thinking and validate all these ideas with other tools. Don't rely only on AI, but this might be a good starting point. Now I'll ask ChatGPT to improve my book outline according to its own suggestions. And here it is. Looks good. As a final step in this tutorial, I'll ask it to write the first chapter. And here it is. Of course, this is just an example to show the technical possibilities of combining both tools. Always use your own reasoning and insights. Don't just copy and paste AI-generated text. However, both tools can significantly improve your writing speed because you won't need to spend as much time on book topic research, outlining, and drafting. It's like having your own personal assistant doing the boring, repetitive work for you. If you want to train ChatGPT to write in your own voice, I have a video on that too. Check it out in the video description below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss upcoming videos.